How to draw scissors. Welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute pair of scissors with markers step by step. This is an easy drawing lesson for kids, beginners, and kids of all ages. Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Things Around the House, I show you how to draw anything that you can find around your house. So let's draw. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You'll need a piece of paper. I have my dollar store drawing pad here. It's 11 by 8.5 inches. I have a pencil. I have an eraser. And for color today, we're using blue, gray or silver markers. I have a black Sharpie marker. I always have my little paintbrush to dust off my page. And to outline, I have my black fine-tipped marker. So why don't I clear off my space here and we can begin drawing our pair of scissors. Now this should be easy, but I'm going to tell you a little secret. I had a hard time drawing this. I had to practice a lot and I still don't know if I've got it. So I'm going to try. Now the first thing I'm going to do is draw a little circle. That's going to be the middle of the scissors. That's holding the two pieces of the scissors together. And that's going to kind of be my guide. So I'm going to draw a line here and a little bit of a line there, round and down like this. A little round at the bottom and join it like that. That's part one of my scissors there. Now I'm going to draw the handles round and down to join there. Okay, and we need somewhere to put our fingers. So there. That wasn't so bad. Okay. Now to join the two pieces of the scissors, we have to draw the other side, right? So I've got a little line here, a flat line here, and a flat line here. Now let's pretend we're going through here because we want it to come out like this. Okay? Same thing here. Let's pretend we're going through here. And then we continue here. And we do that little curve at the end. Now I could probably make this a little thicker, but I'm going to leave it as is. We don't want perfection, right? So now I'm going to draw the handle for this side of the scissors. And a little spot to put our fingers. And that's it, my friends. Those are our scissors. But I want to give a little bit of a fun touch to this. So we've got two eyes in the holes where we put our fingers. So now I'm going to take my fine-tipped black marker and outline everything. I am going to be erasing my pencil marks, so I'm not too concerned if I go outside of my lines, okay? But if you're not going to be erasing your pencil marks, try to follow your pencil lines, all right? But like I said, not going to do that. That gives me a chance to make this side a little thinner, actually. There we go. It looks a bit messy now because I'm not really following my pencil marks, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm going to be erasing. There. So I've got that all outlined. And I always tell you when you're using markers, make sure your marker is dry before you start to erase so you don't smudge everything. Now my marker is dry. So I'm going to lightly erase my pencil marks. get all of those pencil marks off because I kind of, you see, I had my pencil mark was a little wider here, but I decided to make the blade of that part of the scissors a little thinner as I was outlining, so I want to make sure that pencil mark is gone. All right, let me dust off my page. I think I got all the pencil marks. Yes, I did. So I'm going to start with my blue color. Now you can choose any color you want. It's just for the handles of the scissors, okay? So I'm going to color that in blue. A nice blue color. I actually have a pair of scissors that are this color. That's why I chose this blue today. I was thinking of doing orange, but I really like the way this blue looks. It's very vibrant. It makes me happy. It's cheerful. Plus, it's the same color as my nails. So we match. I love color. And I love nail polish. Some people don't like nail polish, but I love it. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel creative. It makes me feel like a girl. So I love wearing it. I was trying very hard not to get any blue into the holes or what is going to become the eyes. I have my window open and there's a blue jay outside who's squawking really loud. And I have all of my dogs in here and my cat. They're all asleep. Some of them are snoring. There we go. Now, try not to get any blue into that part because that's part of the blade. So that's going to be silver or gray, whatever color you chose. Or if you don't have those colors, you can really just leave it uncolored. That would be fine. So now I'm going to take that silvery gray color. Excuse me. My throat is bugging me today. And I'm coloring in the blades. All gray. And we'll do a little bit of detail after. I love these markers. They have a paintbrush tip. That's what it's called, a paintbrush tip. And it feels like I'm painting with them. I love it. For the parents out there, I bought these at, in North America, we have a store called Michael's. Excuse me, Michael's. And it's an art supply store. And this is their brand. It's called Artist's Loft. And they're not cheap, but they last a long time. They're really nice to work with. There we go. So that's all colored in. So now we can take our black Sharpie and let's color in those pupils. I used to call them eyeballs, but they're not eyeballs, they're pupils. Try to use the correct word. I just like the way eyeballs sound. There we go. And now for some detail. Now that little circle there that's holding those scissors together, we're just going to put a little mark on there. Because if you had a screwdriver, you'd stick it in there and open it up, and you can open up the scissors. Now, where are we going to put this little scissors smile? I think we're going to put it right here. Just like that, with some cheeks. And let's make it a she today. We'll give her some eyelashes. And up here, some eyebrows. She's so cute. All right, my friends, don't forget to sign your work. I want you to be very, very proud of the beautiful work of art that you just created. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and we'll see you next time on Things Around the House. Thanks for watching. Bye.